If you want to change your boring folders into your own personalized folders, well, you come to the right place. So let's dive into it. Now, first you're gonna make a design of your own in your photo editor. Could be Photoshop, or as I use Affinity Photo 2, but you can also use GIMP. Design it. I will leave a PSD form in the description below, so you can start with that or you make your own, no problem. When you finish designing, go to File, Export, make sure it's 512 by 512, PNG, export, give it a name, find the folder where you want to put it, save it. Look up the folder where you just saved your PNG file, open it with your preview app, go to File, scroll down to Duplicate, hold the Option key, Save As. Then in the drop down menu you can choose what you want to save it, but for this purpose you have to save it to the top one, Hayek or something like that. Don't forget to tick the alpha save. If you got an older version of your operation system, you can choose also icons. Go again to your folder and there you have it. Now choose a folder where you want to put it. Right click on the folder and then Get Info. Click and drag the Hayek file to the left upper corner till you see a green plus sign. Then drop it and Bob's your uncle. That's all. Well, I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This was Oom Zaken for Trixie Time. Goodbye.